Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Axtuo is back. I'm back. Me to another episode. I'm not gonna show you how to do oil change this time. What I'm gonna show you is what's inside your oil filter. You know what I'm saying? Maybe you don't know, but I do, and that's why I did this video, thinking about the community. You know what I'm saying? This is how I give back to the community. I want to say thank you to my fans, followers, haters, family members, new subscribers, old subscribers, newcoming subscribers. I appreciate it. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. And for that, this is how I pay. I give back to the community, you know what I'm saying, by doing this video. So I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. Yes, sir. This is the video about the difference between your oil filters. The oil filters that you put in your car. You go to a dealership, a gas station, you don't know what you get. So I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna show you what's inside of every single oil filter. And by saying that, I think I'm gonna do part 2 because I have more than 10 oil filters. Now I'm saying, to keep it a Honda, I have Honda oil filters, I have Mitsubishi oil filters, I have Mazda oil filters, you know what I'm saying? I have Parts Masters oil filters, you know what I'm saying? And you're gonna see what's inside, because you have the right to know, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna go to the store, you're gonna see oil filters from $3 to $12, maybe $15, depending where you live. You know what I'm saying? And you're gonna think that the most expensive oil filter is the best one. Sometimes it doesn't work like that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you what's inside of every single oil filter, and you're gonna let me know. You're gonna be the judge of that. You're gonna tell me in the comment box, in the super chats, super stickers, you know what I'm saying? Use that, have fun with it. So when you see this, you're gonna let me know. Any idea, any suggestions, anything you need to say, put in the comment box or use super chats. So yeah, that's how we do. Before I get into the action, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button, bang it hard, hit it. The subscribe button, do the same with the share and the like button, you know what I'm saying? And the feedback, put in the comment box. Alright? Wait, hold on, wait. You thought I forgot about you. Okay, I got you right here. Hey, John Swartz. I see you, boy. Sure thing, we can do that. Shout outs to John. I have a few shout outs. Don't have. We keep it clean. That's how we do. You know what I'm saying? Cyril, what's up? That's good to know. Hey, Roy, I sent you to the right direction, did I? Did Alfonso, hey, Alfonso. Me. Spirit 51. Piston Pusher. Caliper 2. Claudia, see you, girl. Do you set out the maintenance? And Romaika, I didn't get that one. Holla at you, boy. Yeah, so I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Let's do this. Do you know what's inside of the oil filter? Part 1. Let's get it.
She says that? She says that? She says that, right? She says that, right? She sings,